Hello students, let us continue lesson number 7. Name of the lesson Bhakti Age, Religious, Sect and Saints. So, let us continue the next topic related to Jayadev and Chaitanya. Great saints like Jayadev and Chaitanya were also born in Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu composed Krishna Bhakti song and chanted the mantra of Hari Bol in Bengal. Great saints like Ramananda started bhakti movement in North India. Kabir was the important saint of monotheism. He was a weaver by profession. Bijak is his collection of poems. His poems are included in the Sikh holy book, Guru Granth Sahib. Saint Redas was his guru brother. Like Kabir, he was also a saint of the Nirguna branch. Now, children, on page number 37, you can see the picture of Kabir. साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुभाए, सार सार को गाहिए रहे थोथा दे उड़ाए. Guru Nanak was the founder of the Sikh religion. He was a saint of the Nirguna branch. Now, Nirguna, the meaning of Nirguna is worship of God without form. His disciples were called Sikh. Guru Granth Sahib is their holy book. Tulsidas, Surdas and Mirabai were important saints of Vaishnav Bhakti movement in Rajasthan and North India. Tulsidas became a sage in his youth. He composed popular texts like Ramcharitmanas and Vinaya Patrika. Tulsidas' epic Ramcharitmanas is very popular even today. Saint Narsi Mehta's contribution is immense in immersing people of Gujarat in Bhakti Ras. In Bhakti in the 15th century is unique. Narsi Mehta from 1412 to 1480 is an early Gujarati poet. He is originally from Talaja, which is in Bhavnagar, and then settled in Junagadh. His verses and Prabhatiya were knowledgeable, devotional, and had profound effect on society. Narsi Mehta's bhajan, Vaishnav Vajan To Tenere Kahiye, is popular even today. Though he was a worldly human being, yet was away from worldly affair. He opposed untouchability and casteism. He went to everyone's home to sing bhajans. Whoever sang bhajan of Hari was God's person to him. पक्षा पक्षी माँ नहीं परमेश्वर, समदृष्टि ने सर्व समान. Singing in the glory of Lord Krishna, he said that with the help of Lord Krishna, human being can overcome any adversity. His life was an excellent example of this. His verses are known as Prabhatiya. Children, on page number 38, you can see picture of Guru Nanak, Tulsidas, Narsi Mehta. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.